The comfort of sitting on a recliner in front of a big screen and a great surround sound system is always amazing. But is this setup possible everywhere? Well, not really. You need a dedicated cinema room to create this setup, and when asked in a recently held poll, more than 75% of you opted to create your dream cinema experience in a dedicated theater room. And that's why today I am going to take you to one such setup that we recently completed in Pune, which is a dedicated cinema room with 7.2.2 Atmos configuration and a stunning 4K picture. Let's get on with that room. The journey of this project started 2 years ago when the client was introduced to us by architect Kumar Mangwani of Akasa Designs. Now the architect is someone whom we have worked with in the past, and he was confident enough on our solutions. But the same confidence we had to work a lot to build for the customer as well, because for him the only thing that mattered was a great experience, something that pleases his family, and most importantly blends well with the aesthetics of the room. With these three challenges, or with these three main targets, me and my team started designing and working around different solutions for this room. As you can see, the size of the room is 11.5 feet in width and 18.5 feet in depth. Luckily, the door was right in the middle, so that made the screen and the sitting area pretty separate and very easy to determine. Because of the door coming right next to the screen, we were evaluating different options. First one was to go for a motorized screen and go for the speakers either in the ceiling or behind the screen. The second one was a fixed frame screen but cornered towards one side of the room, considering the fact that the door needs to be accessed as well. So after endless discussions, drawings and permutation combination with regards to the system, we finally came on to the conclusion of this room. As you all know, I keep telling you that the front three speakers in any home theater systems are the most important speaker. First of all, they cover 70% of audio in any movie or content that you watch. Second reason is that it has to cover the longer distances. With that thought process in this project too, we opted for System Acoustics front in-wall speakers, which are the kin in-wall speakers, which are hidden right behind the screen. For the surrounds, because of the room's narrow width of 11.5 feet, we were confident that the Lakh OW 4.2 on-wall speakers would do the job pretty well for your surround channel. And for the Atmos again, we stuck with the Lakh system. When it came to the subwoofer, the Lakh Varo series of subwoofers wasn't available or introduced back then. That's why we opted for the fine audio subwoofers, which are equally great, and instead of opting for one, we decided to have two. Now in case you are wondering what is the advantage of having two subwoofers or how to place them, then make sure to check our video, which is a complete video on the subwoofer guide and multiple subwoofers. So these speakers are getting power from Denon AVCX 3800H AV receiver, which is one of the most easy and a go-to 9-channel AV receiver. So the screen, as we spoke about earlier, due to the constraint of the door on the side, we stick to a 120 inches zero-edge perforated acoustic screen, and the projector that is used is the Epson TW9400 4K projector. And the media source, which takes care of the entertainment finally, is the Apple TV media player. Now apart from Apple TV, they are soon to add the Sony UBP X800 Blu-ray player to enjoy their personal collection, as well as some amazing DVDs and Blu-rays that they have got. Now apart from the AV system, two other things that are going to take care of the experience is the setting and the acoustics. Now with regards to the setting, as you can see in the layout, we initially opted for 2 rows of setting, but to keep up the spaciousness, the client opted for a single 4-seater recliner from Little Nap to complete this experience. The acoustic and wooden panelings on the wall plays a good game of absorption and diffusion of sound, while the carpet on the floor completes the room ambience as well as takes care of the sound absorption. And this was all taken care by the architect and his team. The blackout blinds on the windows cuts off the outside light, giving a pleasurable experience to all the viewers inside with or without the room lights. So this amazing home theater room was created using one powerful tool, and that tool is the custom home cinema design tool, which you can check in the description, in the pinned comment as well as in the link above, because this tool has been used by more than thousands of home cinema enthusiasts from across the country, and they have been able to get some of the best solutions by using this tool. So don't miss out that, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to enjoy more amazing setup tools that are going to be followed soon. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.